And those higher costs on autos could also trickle down to the consumer in a way that probably has not been given much thought. Your insurance coverage. Contessa Brewer explains.
When a driver crashes his or her car, it goes to a repair shop and the bill sent to the insurance company. Among the most commonly replaced items, windshields. And their prices are up 10% because of tariffs.
Countries don't pay tariffs, consumers do.
Steve Califer owns 9 car dealerships with service centers in New Jersey. He's seeing costs for auto parts soar.
The real burden's going to be on the consumer. They don't have a choice to fix a car. A car either will work or not. So if you have this part and you have a 25% tariff increase, that part had cost $200, bingo, $50 more.
Last year, the U.S. imported $158 billion in auto parts, and tariffs are now driving insurance prices higher.
In automobile insurance, we're already paying increased costs for replacing or repairing motor vehicles as a result of the China tariffs.
An estimated $3.4 billion in additional insurance payouts. Now, President Trump promises 5% tariffs on Mexican imports starting Monday, and that they'll keep going up as long as illegal border crossings are an issue. Mexico is the largest source of imported car parts, accounting for almost $60 billion, or nearly 40% of imports last year. Car insurers are bracing for as much as a $5 billion impact, depending on how high the Mexican tariffs go. And then there are the secondary costs. Whether a car is repaired or totaled depends on the cost to fix it. More expensive parts means more cars considered totaled. Replacement vehicles are also more expensive because of tariffs. And mechanics lose the repair business. Finally, the tariffs may disrupt the supply chain or cause shortages of parts.
It means consumers can't get their cars repaired as quickly as they otherwise would, which means they have to have rental cars longer.
And just one additional rental car day adds $500 million in costs. Who picks up that tab? You might think insurance companies, but insurance is a pass-through industry. Increased costs are passed on in the form of higher premiums. Just one way tariffs create a bumpy ride for everyone. In Flemington, New Jersey, Contessa Brewer, Nightly Business Report.